guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Omnia, this is 𝑂𝑚neyasWish, and I have this month's Diva box. It is February's. Always says don't hide your inner diva inside, and these are the contents. I will be pulling them out so you can see everything that's in there. This month's box costs $40. I was just so happy. Didn't know which one to pick. So we got peacock powder number 4. It's a purple chrome powder. I'll be showing that later. We got some pretty foils, flowers and butterflies. Yeah, I have some things that are similar to it. We have this little jar of caviar beads, crystal micro beads kind of thing. And she's got her little sticker on there. This is from Triple D Diva. And of course you need your tray if you're going to be putting any kind of bling on whatsoever. And then this. I have one of these and I love it. I keep my brushes in it. But now I have one that I can put my swatch sticks in when I'm swatching. So I'm just so happy about this. And it's branded with her name, so that's a good thing to have. So the dips. The first one is Sellout. This should be available on the site soon. It's this beautiful green. And there it is. And it's thermal. And that's when it's in its warm state, and you'll see it quickly cool down. It almost looks like it's cooling to neon, but it's not. It's just a very pretty, green's my favorite color and I haven't worn any of it, so I can't wait for this one. And then we got Diva Dip 13. These are exclusive to the box. If it says Diva Dip with a number, it's exclusive. And it's like this light lilac, lavender shade, pastel, perfect for spring. And then we got Diva Dip 14. Which is a really pretty, like, robin's egg blue. That's how I kind of think it looks. It's very light, and they all have just 2 coats. I only put 2 coats on swatches. So, and then Diva Dip 15, which is the glitter. There's always a glitter one. This is like glitter and flakies mixed. It's so pretty. Again, 2 coats, and it has like a purple base to it, I want to say. There's no color in it. So with these micro beads, caviar beads, I'm going to tip them out into the tray and pull out some tiny crystals that are in there. Very slowly, because these things will go everywhere real quick. Real quick. So you get a good amount inside these jars. They're handy, I like, because they got a screw lid. And then there's these larger pointy back clear crystals that I pulled out and put them in like a separate little tiny jar. There's only a few of them, but I wanted them separated before, you know, I dumped the tray out and possibly got one on my finger and didn't want it on there. So now they're separate. Very pretty. And then we have the peacock powder, which I'm going to swatch on a swatch stick that has white and black on the swatch stick. It doesn't really show up that well when you see me like rubbing it on until after I've got it all on. I was trying to show that you could see like a pink and teal flecks in it, in the powder. So I'm just trying to like dab some on here. And then I will rub and then dust off. and then I'll finally rub it in with my finger and get it all smooth. I would do 2 coats. I think this would look pretty over purple too. I should have did it on a white swatch stick and a black swatch stick because it's hard to tell. But it has like this linear hollow look to it. I think it looks great over black. Should have did a separate one for the white. So this is everything that is in the box. Just scan slowly over it. And I don't know. Oh, and I swatched the foils too. They're all pretty, they all worked fine. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this box. I'm glad I got it. Yeah, we got snow again and again and again. So I don't know if I'm in the mood for, I'm in the mood for spring, but it's not spring here. So thanks for joining me, guys, and I hope you like this Diva box. This one costs $40. It changes every month. So that is it. I hope you like this one. And I'll leave the links down below so you can get one too, if you're quick enough. Bye.